you'll notice the iPhone puts a pin on the map exactly where you made this video. So here I am stuck on the side of the road in the Calverton National Cemetery. You can see the date and time on the video also right there. I was stuck there for 3.5 hours, even though roadside assistance said it would be about an hour and 20 minutes. Once again, dead, stranded on the side of the road. It won't start again. Look above the right side of the handle. There is no damage on this truck before they took it on March 17th. And when I got it back, it has damage. No missing paint when they towed it to the dealer. They weren't coming out the other day. Let's see. Like even the brake pedal's not going down. Nothing, just a click. Oh well, let's jump it again. $80,000 truck, paperweight. Once again. You buy a Ram truck, you better buy one of these too. Here it goes. Now I should be able to start it. This has become an everyday thing. No chipped paint above the right side of the handle. Oh boy. Oh boy. 1:46 p.m. still at Calverton National Cemetery. Now I have to call the dealership. Now 2 weeks later I get my truck back and notice that there's a huge scratch and paint missing above the handle on the driver's side door. I came home from the dealership, then my car's been parked for a couple of days. I haven't needed to use it. And today I went to go to pick up stuff at the Costco and noticed the problem. So I just went to go with my truck first time since I got it back. I noticed this scratch right there. Paint missing and everything. And then there's this other scratch right above my foot here. This will come out, but that'll buff out. This is not going to buff out. This is another thing I noticed since I got my truck back. Unreal.